Alright friends, here we go. We're going to do a problem together. So this is the time that you would need your paper and your pencils, whatever you may possibly need to help you solve this problem. Alright? Ms. Moore's going to first read the problem. This first time I read the problem, I want you to focus on the words and decide if we're adding or if we're taking away. Alright? Remember, when we're adding, we're joining two groups. When we're taking away, something is going bye-bye. Okay? So, Mr. Woodard has 5 cats, and he finds one more. How many cats does Mr. Woodard have now? Okay. This next time I read the problem, I want you to focus on what numbers am I working with? What numbers am I working with? Okay? Mr. Woodard has 5 cats, and he finds one more. How many cats does Mr. Woodard have now? Okay? We've read the problem, now we want to draw the picture. So I'm going to give you about 2 minutes or so for you to draw this picture. Remember, if you cannot draw cats, you're always welcome to draw circles. Okay, I'm going to give you about 30 more seconds. All right, here we go. So, Mr. Woodard has 5 cats. So I know I need to draw 5 cats. Ms. Moore is not a good cat drawer, so she's going to use her mouse to draw circles. Mr. Woodard has 5 cats. He finds one more. Your picture should look similar to the one above. Alright, now using your picture, I want you to go ahead and write the equation that represents this story problem. You're going to write the number sentence that represents this story problem. Okay? All right, friends, now I want you to help me out. What do I need to do first? All right, I need to write a 5. Why do I need to write a 5? Good job. I write the 5 because this 5 matches the 5 that I drew in my picture, which represents the 5 cats that Mr. Woodard had in the story problem. Good job. Now, what goes right here? Right, is it adding addition or minus to minus? Good job. It is Adam addition because he finds one more. So that means we're going to add all together, right? All right, what's my next number? Yeah, 1. I would write a 1. Why did I write that 1? Good job. I wrote the 1 because the 1 represents this in my picture, and this in my picture represents the one more cat that Mr. Woodard found in my story problem. Good job. And what goes here? Ellie equal. Good job. We want to figure out how many cats does Mr. Woodard have now, and we need to write Ellie equal. Good job. So I'm going to use my picture to find my answer here. Some of us can just automatically knows what 5 plus 1 is. Some of us can use our fingers. Whatever strategy you need to do, we're looking for the answer or the sum or the total right here. Okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good job. All right, let's read this number sentence. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. That was amazing. All right, we're going to move on. All right, this time I'm going to give you some time to do this problem alone. I'm going to read it for you once. I want you to draw the picture as well as write the equation on your paper. Ready? All right. Samuel collects stamps. He has a collection of 7. His grandpa gave him 3 extra stamps. How many stamps does Samuel have now? Samuel collects stamps. He has a collection of 7. His grandpa gave him 3 extra stamps. How many stamps does Samuel have now? Okay, go ahead and begin. Right, 30 more seconds. All right, here we go. Hope it wasn't too hard for you. All right, here we go. Samuel has a collection of stamps. He has a collection of 7 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. His grandpa gave him 3 extra stamps. 1, 2, 3. How many stamps does Samuel have now? So before he had 7, and his grandpa gave him 3. How many does he have altogether? 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the picture as well as the equation that you should have on your paper. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a wonderful job. Good job, friends. All right, let's do another one of those. All right. Danielle loves flower pens. She has 5 in her book bag. She has a really good day at school and got 5 more from the prize box. How many pens does Daniela have? Daniela loves flower pens. She has 5 in her backpack. She has a really good day at school and got 5 more from the prize box. How many pens does Daniela have? All right, I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and solve this problem as well. Remember, I want a picture as well as an equation. That is the expectation. right, friends, here we go. Daniela loves flower pens. She has 5 in her backpack. Sorry. She has a really good day at school and gets 5 from the prize box. How many pens does Daniela have? So before she got 5, she got 5 more, so we need to add 5. How many does she have together? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, friends. Good job. I'm really proud of you. That was amazing. All right. We're going to do one more. One more before Miss Moore goes and we review the problem from before. Okay? One more. Okay? Rachel took 9 seashells with her to the beach. The waves washed away 6. How many shells did Rachel leave the beach with? Rachel took 9 seashells with her to the beach. The waves washed 6 away. How many shells did Rachel leave the beach with? Right? Go ahead and work on that problem. All right, friends, here we go. Rachel took 9 seashells to the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The waves washed 6 away. All right? Away, so we know we need to take them away. Alright. How many shells did Rachel leave the beach with? Okay, so we should have Rachel had 9 seashells. 6 were washed away. And now we have 1, 2, 3 left. Let's read this number sentence. 9 take away 6 equals 3. Good job. Thank you, friends, for working so hard with Miss Moore as we try to still be able to learn even though we're not at school. Thank you for participating. Thank you for trying your best. Thank you for staying focused. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and return back to our warm-up problem. We're going to return back to our warm-up problem. With Sophia. Okay. Sophia has 3 lip gloss. Her mom purchases 3 more. How many does Sophia have altogether? That was supposed to be your answer. Okay? All right, thank you, friends. See you next time.